And welcome back to CMA, Climate Mitigation and Adaptation. I'm, of course, your host, T.H. Culhane, so let's get to it. The political South, or global South, is a different world from the ecological South that we've talked about. And that's because it has almost nothing to do with the equator or the southern hemisphere, and everything to do with where it sits relative to the centers of historic European colonial power. It's really just that place south of the border where poor children play. Kind of says it all, doesn't it? It's a political description, since the vast majority of the land masses in the global South lie not just above the equator, but well above even the Tropic of Cancer, meaning not only that they're decidedly in the northern hemisphere, but they aren't even in the tropics. The subtropical Sun Belt includes politically powerful places like Florida and Texas and Arizona and California, northern Mexico, all of North Africa, most of the Middle East and India, southern Japan and most of China, well north of the equator and equatorial tropics. And that has profound implications for climate change mitigation and adaptation if only we in the global north could stop politically marginalizing the ecological asset that makes the global South so unique: sunshine. Let's go to our field correspondent, Brick Wallace, to explain.
That's right, TH. Dude. Like Florida, the places you've described are all sunshine states, that nonetheless use very little solar power in any form. In fact, until quite recently, the biggest users of sunshine power were cloudy Germany in Europe, Northern California, and New Jersey in the US. Proof indeed that politics have more to do with the adoption of climate-friendly technologies than economics, efficiency, and, well, climate. Given, however, that the political South really is the sunny South, blessed with a great climate, and because of its solar advantages, became the historical site of slavery and is still the site of labor exploitation. There are two drawdown solutions I want to focus on that can immediately take advantage of that checkered history. Now, I know, you think I'm going to reach into the drawdown vortex and pull down solution number 8, solar farms. You thought that, didn't you? Well, that would make sense, but no, not going to do it. See, there is another form of solar energy that is accessible to everyone, no matter how poor. And it's actually a free form of solar energy because it costs us to remove it from our homes and communities. And that form of solar energy is ranked 3rd in importance. It is, drum roll or cloud rumble, please, drawdown solution number 3, food waste. Yeah, food waste, you see, is solar energy, which can be easily used to make clean biogas and nutritious fertilizer to grow food, which is the solar energy our bodies run on. And the primary economic driver of the global South is, of course, food production, with its concomitant food waste losses. Now, the second solution that I'm going to pull down may surprise you too, because it's ranked way up at number 6 in importance. Educating girls. How do you like them apples? Back to you, TH.
Good job, Brick. You know, some people believe that the biggest environmental problem in the world is overpopulation, and that the greatest worry in that regard is in the so-called third world. And what they really mean is the global South. And if this is so, experts believe that, of course, the key to ethically and responsibly ending overpopulation is simply empowering women. So I'm glad you pulled that down along with food waste so that we can really put these solutions on the table right now. In these modules, I want you to put yourselves in the shoes and the minds of the other 90%, 50% of whom are women and girls. I want you to put yourself in the shoes of the people of the global South, blessed with sunshine and blessed with rain and the mild temperatures that make growing your own food easy, and ask yourself why, with so many riches all around, are these regions among the poorest in the world and so the most vulnerable to the effects of climate change? And just how hard or easy is it to fix this? The answer, while obvious to those who study political ecology, may still shock you.